Hello again. What we are asking ourselves is, what does an investor do? I mean, what exactly is his purpose and how does he achieve it? An investor, like every other business and profession, an investor can do his work efficiently in so many ways. I can be a part-time investor. I want my money to work hard for me, and I think equity shares is the best way for the money to do that. So, therefore, in the daytime I work as a lawyer, I work as a doctor, I work as an IT professional, I develop software, I have a job, I have a business, but when I have free time, I ensure that my savings are invested in the stock market so that they grow accordingly. That's a part-time occupation. My primary job as an investor there is to make my savings grow. But that's also important because eventually these savings will really give me the reward of the work that I do otherwise. As a doctor, I am working, but my earnings must be saved somewhere for my work to be fruitful in the final place. So I am part-time into it, but the results of that investment, the results of that equity investing is actually the final fruit of my labor throughout the day. That's part-time. Whether you're a businessman or an employee in a company, or a self-employed professional, anything. What we do, eventually we want to save, and that savings should give us the highest possible return. So it's the culmination of our efforts during the day. That's why we should take investing very seriously. It's a serious business. It should be enjoyable, but it should be serious. What else do we do? I could be a full-time investor, which means that investing is not only my passion, but is also my full-time profession. And the question then is it possible to be a full-time investor? The answer is absolutely, and I know many people, and I'm sure you know many people who are full-time investors. So what do? They spend their day looking at the markets and watching every tick on the screen, and the answer is, I don't think so. No. They spend their day doing research, encouraging their brain to work more, enlarging their knowledge base. You know, your knowledge base is the basis of all your success in investing. Actually, it's the basis of your success anywhere. But I don't want to talk about anywhere. It's certainly the basis of your success in investing. And throughout the day, the full-time investor works on expanding his horizon, so as to say, works on expanding his knowledge, his understanding of the markets throughout the day. And this goes on for years. I suspect Warren Buffett has been doing it for 50 years or 70 years or 80 years or whatever, and I'm sure he'll do it for the next 100 years. Good for him. So it never ends. So the full-time investor doesn't watch the markets every day, every tick or every minute, but he certainly uses his full time to enlarge his knowledge, and that eventually rewards him. So it is possible to be a full-time investor. There are many full-time investors, and their task primarily during the day, morning, evening, night, day, is to enlarge their knowledge, their horizons of knowledge. And that is what enables them to be successful. To get regular updates to this channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.